This is Eric with TechnoRV, and this is the TechnoRV Learning Series for the Rand McNally RV Tablet 70. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do updates on your Tablet 70. This does come with free lifetime maps, but it also will give you just updates throughout the year, maybe like a construction update or something like that. Up here in the upper left-hand corner, if you get there's a small blue circle there. It's the Rand McNally symbol, and that's an indicator that you have something there that you need to take a look at. And to look at it on the Android tablet, you're just going to swipe down on the screen, and when you do that, it'll show you what that indicator was needing to tell you. And in this case, there's an update available, and it looks like it's 45 megabits, and it's asking me would I like to install it. I am connected to a high-speed cellular signal right now, which you need to do updates. If you're on a really slow speed, you won't be able to do it. But if I want to, I can just go ahead and click download there, and now you'll see well, it's already gone. In the upper right hand corner, it was showing you the download. There it is, the download icon. So that's in the background doing its download, and whenever it's completed, then the blue circle icon will go away because I won't have an update to do anymore. And the map update is completed successfully. Well, it looks like it's still working on it here. But anyway, that is how you do an update. That would be your map updates or any construction updates or anything like that. That is how you do that on the RV Tablet 70.